In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into CapCut on desktop in just a few simple steps. Whether you're getting started for the first time or you just need to sign back into your account, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and quickly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once the app launches, look to the top left corner of the screen and click Sign In. This is where CapCut lets you connect your account so you can sync your projects, access your saved content, and use all your personalized features. After clicking Sign In, you'll see a few login options appear on the screen. At this point, choose the method that works best for you. You may see options like signing in with Google, TikTok, or another available account type depending on your setup. In this example, I'm choosing Sign In with Google because it's one of the fastest and easiest ways to get access. Once you click the Google option, CapCut will open a browser or pop-up window and ask you to choose your Google account. Select the account you want to use for CapCut. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you have multiple Google accounts signed in on your device. After choosing your account, confirm the action by following the on-screen prompt. This usually means clicking Continue or Allow so CapCut can complete the login process and connect your account properly. Once that's done, you can return back to the CapCut app. In just a moment, you should see that you are successfully logged in. Your profile or account status will update, and now you can start using CapCut with your signed-in account. From here, you can access your projects, sync your work, and continue editing without any issues. And that's how you log into CapCut Desktop using Google Sign-In. It's a quick process once you know where to click, and now you can get back to creating and editing with your account ready to go. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.